Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, probably the biggest flight test we have done. This is the new large 2-meter FMS Extra 330. Absolutely huge. And it comes in a very big box. I have to say, don't think that you are going to get this box in the front door of your house without your partner seeing it. You just won't. You're going to have to admit it that you have purchased this. Why would you go for something like this? Basically because it is ready to fly. I mean, there are so few components in the box, it will take you 5 minutes to put all this together because it is so well engineered with all the servos in place. It literally just slots together. So I am not going to fly this. I'm not going to fly this because I can fly aerobatics, but 3D I think is one of the most difficult forms of flying. Now, if you remember Top Gear had the Stig, that tamed racing driver that took their performance race cars around their test track. We don't have the Stig, we've got something better. We've got our new 3D pilot who's joining the team today. We've got the Trevor. And here's Trevor. He's a bit shy, but here's Trevor. And me and Jason have watched Trevor fly down here, and we're super impressed by the way he throws his models around. So we have given him the privilege of throwing this around for the first time. Yeah, he's speechless. So Trevor,
let's go.
Show them the magic, okay, and what this thing can do.
Let's hope so.
Right, so while we arm this, it's a 12-cell power system. They recommend 2 6S 4000 packs. We've got 5000 packs because they are quite light packs. Digital, high torque, quite fast servos all the way around. Metal arms on the servos as well, so it's going to take any abuse that we throw at it.
I'm on.
Bit of a windy day today, which might make it a bit exciting.
It'd be interesting.
Be interesting, but good for high alpha and stuff like that. I always find. Over to you, Trevor.
Okay.
Good luck, buddy. So I like that. First flight, and you saw Trevor fly some really pretty high speed stuff, full throttle stuff.
It's actually very powerful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Powerful 12S setup.
It is a powerful 12S setup. It
We
needs
saw
a bit of trimming, obviously.
Yeah, that was first flight, yeah.
But the COG was pretty good right out the box. But it's certainly powerful, and it's certainly capable of doing.
Well, we saw pop top,
Yep.
knife edge spin,
Yep.
flat spin.
Flat spin.
I love that knife edge from height sliding down. That was and then carrying off at the same altitude. That was absolutely fantastic. So it's pretty capable, yeah.
It's very capable.
Brilliant.
Very capable.
Okay, so for a first flight, I think that's absolutely fantastic. So this is the 2 meter Extra 330 from FMS. The link is in the video description, so please look it up for the price. It's an all ready to fly. So if you wanted to do the same with anything else on the market, you'd have to buy your separate ESC, motor, prop, all that gear and install it yourself and get the right combination, which is not an easy thing to figure out, is it?
It's not an easy thing.
It's not an easy thing to figure out.
But it's all here in the package.
It's all here in the package. So thanks very much, Trevor. Awesome. Really enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. You might want to subscribe for future Essential RC flight tests. We'll be back soon with more. Thanks.